Hey, tribe ass, we don't fuck with them, boy, them not our guys. Goofy just be flexing for the net, telling big lies. Roll up, get right. Them niggas like to dick ride. Shorty ass ain't got no fucking car, she like to hit rides. Tell them pick size. Look on them do his, then they switch rides. I'm bout mass, we with all that shit, but we do.
As you can see, I finally made officially the world's first Hellcord. So for all them little geeks in the comments want to say this is a Hellcord, what the fuck is it? Please tell me what is this if this is not the one and only Hellcord. Now as you can see also down here we removed the V6 badge because I'm waiting to replace that with an SRT badge. It probably won't be right here because this is kind of a poor position to put it. We'll probably put it right here on the trunk. It looks like a real Charger or some shit, but I didn't want to wait to make this video. The Hellcord badge is there, SRT badge going here. Come around over here, got the Hellcat badge right here. Is officially the Hellcord. Regardless of what engine we got in it at any point in time, always going to be called the Hellcord. Now if y'all haven't seen the Hellcat swap and the one and only Hellcord, it's on screen right now, so click it and go watch it.